Welcome to CallRail for Google Sheets add-on. Let's start by adding our CallRail API token. All available accounts are retrieved and set as separate connections. Now let's run our first download with all calls data. We need to set request parameters, account name, and sheet to download data to. Additionally, you can specify a tracker ID. I will filter by date, selecting all of yesterday's calls. And we'll add some additional fields to the data export. Let's run the query. Now I will save the query so that I can set a time trigger, which retrieves fresh data on a daily basis. I am opting for adding to existing data. The query is saved. And we can run it, set a time trigger, or delete it. Let's now set a daily time trigger. Time triggers can be added to multiple saved queries.